Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see Jenkins' first job. So let's get started with today's video. So that's the dashboard in previous video we have seen. So now let's start with new item. So here let's enter item name, job name, whichever you want to give. So that will be, let's say, my first job, freestyle project I'm going to create, and hit OK. So here you can see description, you can provide GitHub project details and other things all are there, like triggers, environment, build steps also there. So here you can write execute cell. So here I'm just going to write let's say hello world for starting. So now let's save this build. So how you can start this job, you can click on build now. So here you can see one build it has already given. So here you can see console output. So in console output you can see hello world. So whichever you will be writing in your script, you can check in your console, all the logs will be present in console output. So here workspace, you can see in which workspace this job will be running. If you want to see any file upload or anything, you can go here where Jenkins home workspace and you can check if your file is uploaded or not. So I'm just showing you in Docker app only. So here you can see where Jenkins home, and inside Jenkins home you can go workspace, you can see my first job. So if you have any git checkout, then also you will be able to find it here. So whichever job related things you can find in particular folder works. So for a particular job you can see options, let's say edit build information. So all the, if you have any script, pipeline script, so then you will be edited here. Then changes, you can see which all changes it's fetching, like if you have that new git commit, so then you can see it's fetching latest commit or not. So now let's go to configure. So configure, you can see source code management is also there. So if you have a git repo, you can add it here. So triggers is also something that you can use GitHub hook triggers if you have, or any build you want to do remotely you can use. So environments also you can use mostly with and. So then build steps, so this is one basic execute cell here I have like created. So but in real projects there will be pipelines and more stages of a build. So here you can see some advanced settings also. So here you can write some exit code to set build, and like if build is not stable, it's not running properly. So environment filters is there, and you can add more steps here. So that can be a cell or like Windows bash command, or all these options whichever you have in your project you can use it. So now let's add a parameter to this job. So here you can see one option, this project is parameterized. So here you can add one string parameter choice. In drop down you can select whichever suits you. So here I'm just writing, let's say name person, default value let's say test. So now in my cell script I'm going to use that person. So here write dollar. So this should be the same as whichever name of parameter you have given. So now let's save this, and now let's say build with parameters. So here you can see person. So I'm just changing name, let's say to knowledge thrusters. So now I'm giving build. So here you can see second build is also successful. Console output. So here you can see hello knowledge thruster. So now that whichever I have passed in parameter, that is printed. So other options of build parameters, you can see that on which particular parameters this build is given. Then timings, you can see whichever, like how much time build has taken and on which things. So then edit build, as of now no need, changes I have already shown. Now status, so here also you can see all those like how much time it has taken and which all commit your build, whichever changes are there you can see that. So here workspace also you can see. So workspace, as of now I'm not having any files, but here if you want to get any particular file from your workspace you can do that from here. So you have given option one, wipe out current workspace, as well to delete that particular workspace so that it can be recreated. So that's all in this video. I've just given you a very basic informations of Jenkins build. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.